All right, there it is. The slide is all pulled in, and all of our stuff. So we're gonna dump the tanks and get those rinsed out, and then all we have left is once I get out of here, we'll put the generator in. It sits right back here by the back door. By the door, we only have one door. And then the outside lights that we use for gate guarding will be put away, and then we're good to go. So he's just hollered at me, so I'm gonna rinse that tank. We'll get them rinsed, and then we're very close to being able to go. Getting close. So, I guess that's about it. We are out of here, and we're out for a few days and then some vacation, and then we will be back for our next assignment. Stay tuned.